Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a little bit of hard knock life going on. A little bit of excitement and beauty too. Let me turn you around. Is that not just gorgeous? That's a rock rose or moss rose. What we're doing today, it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite, but it happens. It's this time of the year. And it's what you're looking at right behind my head. This is a tomatillo plant. And I don't know what's happened exactly. The best that I could tell you at this point in time is that we've had a 20-degree drop. Tomatillos really do like to be warm. They do not like the cold weather at all. But the fruit on it, it's like it's not even really sizing up. So we've got just these little tiny guys. Oh shoot. Not again. Did it again. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'll have to get back to you on it. So, as you can see, it doesn't even look healthy as far as plants go. Getting back to our tomatillo situation here. And then, over here on the other side, this tomato here is a yellow pear tomato. It's not doing great at all. So, plan is to get this end cleared out and start amending it. We're getting to that point in the year where if it's not really bearing fruit, it's not really setting fruit, then it needs to come out and make room for the fall planting that is going to be happening very, very soon. I've already started seeds to put in the beds back here. Most of them are doing oh my, forgot to come out here and dump water. Oh, I hope I didn't drown things. We got a bunch of rain the other day and it filled up these trays in the extreme. Okay, these guys need to dry out. I will definitely be putting them in the greenhouse when it rains from now on. But there's beets, there's kale, there's kaleettes. Cross your fingers that they don't die because they were pretty waterlogged down there. Zinnias, calendula seeds, and I think that's it. So, or at least in that tray for now. And then green stalks, they're starting to grow. Got beans, green beans to be precise. This guy here is starting to. Got that. Not seeing any nasturtiums popping up yet. So that's the only one in that one. I may need to amend that one a little bit heavier. But this one, this other one here, is loaded with a bunch of beans that are sprouting, making themselves present. There's a few that are trying to push through the dirt in this other green stalk too. Give it a little bit of credit. But we've got growth, but we've got things that we've got to pull out. And if you know me at all, that's the hard part for me, is yanking things out when they need to come out. Got cucumber in here. I keep going back and forth on it. I may end up pulling it out too. We'll see. Let's go on ahead and get this to hyperlapse, and I'll mull it over and see what I think about getting all that cucumber out of there, and get back to you in a minute, okay? All right, I'm making the call. I'm gonna pull the cucumber plants. They're starting to get powdery mildew on them. Let me show you what that looks like. It started just over here, and this is normal, okay? I'm not worried about this infecting my soil or other different varieties of plants. This in our zone just happens naturally, and it lets you know that it's at the end of its life cycle. Now, if you're in a warmer zone, it is possible to do another crop of cucumbers. I think cucumbers are 60 day, so anything in the 55 to 60 day slot, you're safe going for. Sorry. Humidity has gone up. We're supposed to get rain again. It's like the third week in a row, so that kind of tells me everything I need to know. So, the more water we get, more moisture is in the air, which is great, but with them already having powdery mildew, they're just not going to make it. They're not going to make it. And that'll just keep spreading. And I might as well just go on ahead and get it taken care of. I've got some amending that I need to do in that soil. And of course, we're starting to look towards fall. So there will be other things to grow in that bed. And there's still, of course, the cowpea going. All right, let's go on ahead and get that done and head inside for some lunch, okay? All right, I need a moment. I'll be out here again tonight. So much to do. There's so much still going on, all at the exact same time. But let me turn you around and show you cucumbers. Ugh. Lots and lots of them today. But that'll be the last of the cucumber surprises for the year. Thinking neighbor Dave is going to be the recipient of some surprise produce today, because I've still got stuff on the table in the house. And I don't know what else I do with all of those cucumbers. Company coming down the street. All right, so sun's getting high. I think we're gonna call that a wrap today. You know, this is one of those hard things. Sorry about that. Anyway, so this is that in-between time of year, and there is really no definitive answer that I can give you. You just have to kind of make the best call that you can based upon what you're seeing. And a lot of gardening is like that. Gardening is not an exact science. You do have to figure some things out on your own, and well, a lot out on your own. And honestly, nobody is ever really and truly an expert when it comes to gardening. So if somebody comes to you and says, "Oh, I know everything that you need to do," and just completely and utterly lines it out for you, they're just blowing smoke, okay? Because they can't divine everything that's going to happen in your life, in your garden, in nature. It's just not possible. There are things that happen that you just can't explain sometimes. And then you're just left making your best guess and making the best decision that you can in the situation. That's really 90% of gardening. Just doing the best you can with what you've got available at your little fingertips. All right, so I'm gonna go on ahead and get off here, get into the house, get some lunch in my belly, and I will see you guys on the next video. As always, keep it simple, natural, and essential, and I will see you on the next video, which is probably going to revolve around fall planting. Bye.